Shakas, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Welcome back. Just coming on to share a quick happy mail that I'm trying to get out in the mail for a really dear friend. Um, yeah, I can't say too much because it might give it away. Anyway, this is for you, girl. um, I've been making these album, I forget what they're called, like box album, pocket, something, folio, I don't know. But anyway, uh, this is the stuff I'm including in these gusseted pockets. I learned this from Pink Zebra Crafts. Unicorn? Danny, what is your YouTube? I'm going to link her below. It's Pink Zebra Crafts, but I think there's unicorn somewhere in it. I'm messing it up. But anyway, this is who I learned this, how to make this album. And she has a great tutorial. Obviously, if I could follow it. It was pretty easy too, so. But anyway, and I just stuffed with a whole bunch of goodies in these pockets. Hopefully my friend will enjoy them. And then it has this box as well. And I just put a whole bunch of happy stuff in here for her. But if you have questions about this, go ahead and comment below. You know, Danny does a really good job at a tutorial on this. So if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Yeah, hope you're having a crafty day, and thanks for stopping by here at Makaz Home. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe and join me on my crafting journey. Take care and shakas to the next video. Woo!